Hi everyone, I'm Kevin from Colorlight. We are here at ISLE 2025. Here, I would like to introduce you one of our CM series products and our all-in-one solutions for meeting. CM4KS is a 4K video conference all-in-one control card launched by Colorlight, integrating Android system and sending card function with powerful interaction and playback ability. CM4KS supports Android 13 operating system, can independently add third-party apps, smooth operation, powerful functions, support for wireless screen testing, whiteboard writing, annotations, document presentation, interactive touchscreen control of the set of conference system. The system adopts 8-core 8nm advanced process chip with excellent performance. This can be integrated into our all-in-one solutions for meeting. First, it is streamlined design and impeccably detailed visuals. Second, empowered by 65-bit 8-core CPU with advanced 8nm process technology, and with 8GB RAM, 128GB storage, it has high-end built-ins and robust performance. Third, we supported video formats include H.265, H.264, AV1, VP9, and AVS 2.4K and 60 FPS input source. It has superior image quality, F-like presentation function. And that's all my presentation. Thanks for watching.